So guys, you should all be familiar with the Fibonacci series in mathematics. The Fibonacci series means a series of numbers which are generated like this. The first in the series is 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. The next step would be the second number in the first part of the equation, in this case 1, plus the summation, result of the summation would be the second number. So if 0 plus 1, 1 is the first number, second one would be 1 plus 1, 2. Third one would be 1 plus 2, 3. The fourth one would be 2 plus 3, 5. This progression is called the Fibonacci series. Not a big deal. Something elementary, what we have all learned at school level. Not a big deal. But then the big deal is the reason finding that nature follows the Fibonacci series. Or in other words, Fibonacci series is God's favorite equation. Take a look at the scales on a pineapple. You can work it out from the bottom to the top, or from the top to the bottom. You will notice that the scales follow the Fibonacci distribution. Now you may wonder why the Fibonacci series is so much preferred by nature. When you look at nature further, you see even more instances of the Fibonacci series being put to use in nature. Look at the number of petals and sepals in a flower. It would either be 3, that is the 1 plus 2, 3 step in the Fibonacci series, or the next would be 5, that is 2 plus 3, 5, next step in the Fibonacci series. And if there are flowers with multiple layers, multiple levels of petals and sepals, it would follow the Fibonacci progression. In other words, in the design of flowers, God follows the Fibonacci series. What is even more shocking and surprising is, look at the spirals in a whirlpool. The spirals in a whirlpool. You would notice that the first spiral, which is the center of the whirlpool, if it has a radius of 3, the next swirl in the whirlpool would have a radius of 5. The next one would be obviously 5 plus 3, that is 8. Even when you look at a twister or a cyclone and look at the structure of its swirls or spirals, this also follows the Fibonacci series. So one starts wondering, what is this fancy for Fibonacci series for God Almighty? Nature, wherever it designs something architecturally, or there is a structurally complex design, it follows the Fibonacci series. One might wonder, what is the fancy for nature, or what is the fancy for God Almighty for the Fibonacci series? Next time you check out anything natural and complex, try and see if it follows the Fibonacci series. Most probably it will. Check it out. Thank you very much.